Guys, kamusta kayo? And meron tayong bagong phone na tatalakayin dito sa ating channel. So this is, of course, nabasa nyo na sa title, it's the Infinix Hot 10s. Not really something new, pero it's a big upgrade. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond and welcome back to my channel. Itong Infinix Hot 10s, kalalabas lang nito and it's fresh, it's hot, and definitely it's something worth mentioning for gamers out there. This phone sports the MediaTek Helio G85. Yan ang kauna-unang G85 no, na dineploy ni Infinix sa kanilang mga smartphone. And definitely, it's a good thing para sa mga gamers out there. G85 is a performer sa mga mid-ranger, no? Ngayon, andito na siya sa Infinix and definitely it's nice to test it out later sa ating gaming section. And itong phone na ito has dual 4G support and together with it, meron siyang dalawang nano SIM na pwede kabit plus isang micro SD expansion. So itong phone na ito, meron siyang dalawang configuration, no? 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, or 6 GB of RAM and 120 GB of storage. Mamaya guys, babanggitin ko sa inyo ang presyo na ito. Grabe, malalaglag ang inyong panga.
Sana all.
Black, Morandi Green, Heart of Ocean, and 7-degree purple. Grabe, daming colors. So itong phone na ito, nakapag-achieve siya ng 243,000 points. For me, okay na tong score na ito, no? i22 benchmark, 66,000 points. Now, as expected, itong phone na ito, may level 3 siya na wideband security sa DRM info. Meaning, hindi ka makakanood na HD dito. Now, this phone has a very massive screen, 6.82 IPS LCD, 720p. And guys, dito kayo mabablown away. 90Hz ang kanyang screen refresh rate, guys. This is probably the first from Infinix and makikita mo ng mga 90Hz no, sa mga medyo upper mid-range and mga flagship phone. No. Ngayon, dinala ni Infinix dito sa Hot 10s. And together with that, meron din siyang 180 touch sampling rate. Now, itong phone na ito is equipped with darling game boosters. Meaning nun, gaganda ang inyong touch sensitivity, plus gaganda rin ang inyong graphics during gaming. Now, total puro gaming na pinag-uusapan natin. Tara, silipin muna natin ang Mobile Legend dito sa phone na ito. Playing this game, masasabi ko sa inyo, I did enjoy playing Mobile Legend on this phone. Ang laki ng screen, 6.82, 90Hz screen refresh rate, 180 touch sampling. Parang lahat nandito na sa kanya. And hindi pa to mid-ranger, guys. It's something na budget-friendly. And I'm really surprised na kaya ni Infinix i-pack lahat ng mga goodies no, dito sa phone na ito. And playing Mobile Legend, masasabi ko sa inyo, the gameplay is nice. Ang sounds niya is good. Though could have been better kung stereo ang kanyang sounds, meaning dalawang speakers. But for me, sa presyong ganito, okay na ako dito sa kanyang sounds. Then, masasabi ko sa inyo, halos minimal ang lags dito no, sa game na ito. Wala namang napapansin mga frame drops. Okay na okay siya as long as maganda yung net connection, internet connection, wala kayong problem sa Mobile Legend. Now, playing Call of Duty, it's equally nice, pero sa pinagkaibahan ng Call of Duty sa Mobile Legend, medyo mas intense ang graphics no, sa Call of Duty. So, there are times na mafe-feel kang konting game lags, lalo na mga frame drops, mapapansin mo siya, no? Pero hindi naman ganun ka-frequent. So, naglaro ako ng roughly 30 minutes sa game na ito and experience ko, no? Magandang yung viewing angle dahil malaki yung screen. And yung mga, yung touch niya, no? Very, very smooth. And of course, sabi ko sa inyo, 180 touch sampling rate. It definitely is something sa phone na ito, no? And what's nice dito sa kanya is pwede ka mag-set ng medium graphics pero high frame rate dito sa Call of Duty. Now, pag-usapan natin ang camera dito sa phone na ito. This phone has a 48MP main sensor, 2MP na depth sensor, AI camera, and upfront 8MP ang kanyang front shooter. Tara, silipin mo natin ilang shots na nakuha ko dito sa phone na ito. So guys, Infinix sinabi niya na itong phone na ito maganda ang gaming, maganda rin ang camera niya, no? So hindi naman siya talaga nagbibiro, and I was able to take in some nice shots, be it outdoors or indoors. Hindi naman sobrang wow, pero masasabi ko siya, it's for me sa based sa sa aking opinion, dahil mahilig ako sa mga cameras, no, sa mobile photography, and this one above average siya. For me, it's good enough to be able to take some good snap for Instagram, for Facebook, and of course, para sa inyong mga social media. So sa front camera, equally same, no? It was able to take some good shots, outdoor, indoor, okay. Pero pagdating sa bokeh shot, pansin ko, no, sa mga shots, yun sa mga edges, no, ng aking buhok, mapansin mo, parang na blur out. Hindi mo maganda, hindi malinis yung pagka-portrait niya, no. Yun lang napansin ko na medyo downside dito sa front camera ni Infinix Hot 10s. So itong fingerprint scanner ni Infinix Hot 10 is medyo luma na siya, no. Pansin ko na sa likod pa rin ang kanyang fingerprint scanner. Mostly ang mga bago ay nasa side na. So this phone is packed with 6,000, guys. Take note, 6,000 mAh of battery. Medyo malaki siya. And it can last you more than roughly 2 days based on usage. And the battery can last you kulang-kulang 2 days. And it's really massive. And what's nice is hindi siya mabigat. Kahit 6,000 mAh siya ng battery, hindi mabigat tong phone na ito. And na-drain natin ang battery niya, no, down to 19%. Chinarge natin pabalik using the default cable and kanya default charger, no, na 10 watts, 2 hours, and 16 minutes para matapos lang ang full charge. So tinry natin kumuha ng kanyang screen on time, 15 hours and 26 minutes. Nilagay ko sa 75% ng screen brightness. Magdamagan ko niran tong test na ito, no. And for me, okay na okay ang kanyang kunat, no, ng battery nito. For me, for regular usage, I was able to last roughly 2 days. Kulang-kulang 2 days bago nag-charge ulit netong phone na ito on average usage. Probably ito na pinaka-inaantay niyong announcement dito sa aking channel. Ang presyo nitong Infinix Hot 10s. Pero bago ko i-announce yung presyo, guys, don't forget to check out my road to 100,000 subscribers massive giveaway. It's still ongoing. Malay mo manalo kayo ng 1 out of 3 malay mo manalo kayo ng 1 out of 3 premium smartphone. Ipamimigay ko once umapak tayo ng 100,000 subs. So ito na, guys, ang Infinix Hot 10s. Ang presyo niya for the 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage is 5,990, guys. It's cheap. It's really jaw-dropping. And ang kanyang 6 GB of RAM and 120 gigs of storage, it's priced at 6,990. So kung gusto niyo malaman kung saan pwede bilhin itong Infinix Hot 10s, I'll drop it on the description box below. Check nyo lang. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here sa aking channel. So sana magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Paalam!